Hey, I hope you're having a great day. We are learning yet another song from A Star Is Born. Today we have I'll Never Love Again, all open beginner chords, so it should be really easy. Simple strumming pattern. The song form is going to be intro, verse, chorus, bridge, chorus, and we're done. All right, let's get started. My name is Brett Blakemore from Summit Guitar School. If you liked the video and you learned something, please consider hitting the like button as well as subscribing. Let's get started. Okay, let's talk about the chords we need for this song. We've got a G. Our middle finger is going to go on the 3rd fret, 6th string. Our index finger, 2nd fret, 5th string. Our 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string. And our pinky, 3rd fret, 1st string. You can also do the traditional one without the extra note in there, but we're going to do this one today. All right, should sound like that. You've got an E minor 7th. We're going to add an extra note. If it's too much, you can just do the regular E minor, but an E minor 7th is index on the 2nd fret, 5th string, middle finger, 2nd fret, 4th string, and then your 3rd finger or your pinky on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. I'm going to use my 3rd finger. If that's too much, you can just do regular E minor without the added finger. All right, then we've got a standard C. You could sub in the C add 9. Today we're going to do C. We're going to put our 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 5th string, middle finger, 2nd fret, 4th string, then 3rd string, open, index on the 1st fret, 2nd string, and you're going to strum from the 5th string down. All right, and then we've got a D7-sus that we're going to play. You can also sub it for the regular D as well. I'm going to kind of go back and forth, but for now, I'm going to show you the D7-sus. Okay, so that one is your middle finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, index, 1st fret, 2nd string, and then your pinky or your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, 1st string. Kind of gives it this open, unresolved sound, all right? And then a regular D is 2nd finger or index on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string, and then your middle finger on the 2nd fret, 1st string. Okay, so we've got G, E minor 7th, C, D7-sus, and a D. All right. During the bridge, we've got one F. I'm going to let you get away without doing the full bar, and we're going to do an F just like this. Okay, so we're going to do the open chord version of F. So what's going to happen there is you're going to put your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, 5th string, pinky, 3rd fret, 4th string, middle finger, 3rd fret, 3rd string, index finger, 1st fret, 2nd string. And you're going to strum those, bottom 5. And really, you should bar your index over the 1st fret, 1st string as well. If that's too much, you can just do the middle 4 strings. Okay, if you want to do the full bar chord, which is really what sounds a little bit better in the song, you're going to put your 3rd finger, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 5th string, pinky, 3rd fret, 4th string, middle finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, and your index then is going to bar over the 1st fret, 6th string, and then it will also bar the 1st and 2nd string, 1st fret, just like that. It should sound just like this. Okay, when I do that, I put my thumb behind my index finger so I have something to grab onto. And my wrist, you can't keep your wrist back here like this, like on a G or a C open chord. You can let your wrist relax a little bit more. On a bar chord, your wrist has to come out just a little bit more. All right, so that's why it feels uncomfortable. If you try to hold your hand like this, you'll never get it. You gotta go. You can't think about playing it the way you play an open chord. You have to push your wrist out just a little bit, not terribly uncomfortable, and just get your thumb right behind your index. Okay, let's talk about the strumming pattern. We've got down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And we're gonna do that through most of the song. So you've got down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And it starts out really slow before the drums come in. So it would be much slower than that. But you'll figure it out. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up. E minor 7th, down, 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 up, down, do the D7 sus in the intro. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. It literally does that through the entire verse. So I'm going to play through it a little bit. G, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. E minor 7th, down, down, up, down, down, down. C, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. D7 sus, down, up, down, 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 up. Like I said, you can sub in the regular D. I think if I was playing this live or in front of people, I would probably play the D7 sus, the first half of the verse, and the second half of the verse into the chorus. I would switch to the regular D because it feels a little bit different. You know, you could do it the other way as well, and it would still work. So for the verse, you're going to go through that progression G, E minor 7th, C, D7 sus 2 times with that strumming pattern. And then during the chorus, it's the same exact strumming pattern, G, E minor, C, D, G, E minor, C, D, and then it does it a 3rd time, G, E minor, C, D. So like I said, you can sub in the D7 sus, or you can play the D the whole time and make it easier on yourself. So then you've got the verse again, all right, and then you've got another chorus, and then you've got the bridge. Okay, so for the bridge, you've got the exact same strumming pattern. We're just going to come in a little bit stronger with our right hand because it's kind of the climax of the song, if you want to call it that. And we've got the F bar chord and the E minor instead of the 7th, so no 3rd finger. So I'll play it through for you. You got E minor, G, F, either the bar chord or the other one, back to E minor, G, F, C, and then you bring the volume down a little bit. Chorus. And it does that 3 times. So that chorus chord progression again happens 3 times, and then it fades out on the G the very last time, and you can call it good. Okay, that is everything you guys need to learn I'll Never Love Again. I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson. If you did, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. We really appreciate the support. We're trying to provide as much value as we possibly can to the beginner guitar community out there. You guys have a great day.